Hi, I'm Lindy Milan and welcome to Fun with Wine. We're going to do a whole series. So, what is it about wine? Well, first of all, we say that we're going to look at the wine. Well, looking at it's not much fun, but looking at it does give you a clue. What can you see? Is it clear and bright? Is it deep coloured? Look at these two reds, they're different coloured. That all gives us a clue as to what we're going to think about the wine when we come to taste it. So that's the first thing we do. Then we nose it. Okay, so why am I swirling it like this? Well, first of all, it impresses people and makes them think you know a lot, but actually no. It's increasing the surface area of the wine so that I'm going to get a much better aroma, nose or bouquet when I put my nose into it. A little bit like dogs nose their food before they eat it. This smells clean and fresh. It looks like something I probably want to taste, but let's look at it. You look around the edge and it clings a bit to the glass, and those are called legs when those rivulets run down. That's because it's got alcohol in it, but when I do it with this one, it's even thicker. And so immediately I know, and I put my nose in, that is much sweeter. That's a dessert wine. So then we taste the wine. Let's have a little taste. I'm aerating it over my tongue because most of taste is aroma. Does it make me smile or does it make me shudder? What does it remind me of? And when you hear people talk about wine and they'll say, oh, cigar box or something, or lemon, well, let's talk about lemon. We all know what lemon tastes like. So if I were to say this is lemony, you'd know what that meant, rather than saying it's buttery, because that's quite different. So what I want to do is gradually delve into wines and find out what they are and why we like them, and have fun with wine.